Okay, I hope you saw how I was playing the praises. That's the local Ghanaian praises. So, a very simple one. Normally when I play, some people say that the left hand side, I seldom teaches that one. I seldom teach. So today on the keyboard, that is the left hand. Like when you're playing a song like a local song, there is a Pentecostal song that is Yesua bewa mame dibo yeni. Okay, Yesua bewa mame dibo yeni. So, for example, when you are playing the song Yesua bewa mame. So this is it. This on the screen, you see the key there, that. So this, and that. Then you end with this key that is showing on the screen there. Okay. So So on the keyboard, when the song is going on, the progressions on which you follow in playing the music is very simple. Just the normal praises that we used to play is what you have to follow. But you must know where to play your do, your sol, your re, the mi, and the rest. Okay, so let me play it once again. So, take note, this is the do of F, but this is called the inversion of it. So, with this, come and play this. So this is it, and that. See? Yesua bewa mami nibo yeni o my friend yamini tefa wahimanu Yesua bewa mami nibo yeni o my friend yamini. So if you were observing it, then you add this key as being shown there. Okay, so when we play this, we added this one. So when we come here, that is the same key, that's the inversion of the F do. So whilst we play here, we added this one also, we add this. It's the same thing. So it's either you play it this way or the version of it. Okay, in the course of when playing the song, you saw me adding the left, that is. That's in case there is no bass guitar, you want to add it to it. So that is do, so. So then come back to the do. So when you move to the re, the fingers also move to the re. So when you move to fa, then so. Okay, so let's practice it. Okay, so let's try to blend it together and form the song. I'm using the same song. Oh, my friend, I just play the do fa so that you get to know how I move the left hand side, the left finger. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Then you add this. This just to spice it up. Just not to go to the do fa so always. Then you'll be playing, or when you're backing, like no. So okay, I'm sure there is a continuation of the song. Then you come to fa. So that is I played it this way. It's the same as this. Okay. Or you move to this way. This and that. Then the left hand. So that is so, do, or either you play so, do, or this. This is the B flat key, the C as shown there, the E. Then you end with the do. Okay, so let me add all together and let's play it once again. So that's the same thing. Oh my friend, Yamini Jefa Wahimadu. I say Niano so now otiam. So you come to the fa now otiam kase Marie re Marie minkwa Jingwa Jumano Tete Lesta Marie. Okay, so let's play it once more time. Then we move to the next one. Okay. So take note of the keys. I'm playing all together. Then the left hand also. So they do fa, then the so, then come back to the do. But normally some prefer the inversion, that's this one more than that. Okay, so when you're about to move to the fa, then you add this key. That's the E flat. This is the same as this. Then Re, So, then back to the Do. I earlier said that it's either you come to the So, then you end the Do, or with this.